Hi guys, welcome to our channel Technical Diversities. Today I am going to discuss about the different tools of Adobe Photoshop like L tool. So let's start the videos. So let's start the videos. First of all, I have make a layer. You can see it, and then you have press Ctrl J, make a new layer. Okay, if you have press Ctrl J, you have make some layers. Okay, so I have click here and change the color of this layer alt. Okay, if I have click here, you have removed the layers. Okay, like this. Okay, if I click here and select the layer up. Okay, so press V and small convert on the small size of the layers. So today I will discuss about the laser tool, polygon tool. Okay, uh, if if you have want to choose this tool from your keyboard, you can press L. Okay, if I have pressed PV, you can see it here. If I have pressed L, then automatically selected laser tool. Okay, like this you can see. Okay, actually laser tool and polygon tool are different tools. Look like if I have choose laser tool, you can see. Okay, okay, if I have released the button, if on this point I have released the button, then you have seen automatically make a path. Okay, if I press Ctrl D, so then I have press polygonic laser tool in which not same working. So if I have click here, if you can see your laser tool find the next point of the next point want to be next point, like. Okay, if I have click here and click here and make selection. If I have click here and press space, sorry, actually I have understand AutoCAD tool, so actually sometimes those are tool are mixed in my mind, so don't worry, you can see it make selection. Okay, Control D, two different tool, laser tool and polygon tool. Laser tool in which you can press mouse key. Okay, and then here. So I hope you will understand. So I have pressed Control D and then have pressed polygonic laser tool. Actually this tool is used for make cutout and selection of any layer. So if I have cut this layer this type, so I have click here and make the path. Okay, if you have pressed delete key on your keyboard, you can see here and the layer sides. See, okay, if you going to press Ctrl Z, if you press Ctrl Z. Okay, so I have pressed Ctrl D, so I have choose laser tool, so I have click here, cut this shape, so I have click here and press and make path and press delete key. So in which you cannot make a selection of clearly selection on this lasso tool. Okay, if you use polygonal tool, you have make a good shapes. Okay, so I hope you will understand my videos. So we will meet to next video. Allah Hafiz.